The Redeemed Christian Church of God has announced free medical surgeries to mark the General Overseer, Pastor e.adeboye's 83rd birthday. Adeboye was born on the 2nd of March 1942 in Ifewara, Osun State. He will clock 83 on Sunday, according to a statement by his son, Pastor e.adeboye, on Thursday. The program, which is part of the church's corporate social responsibility initiatives, would offer free medical services in various areas, including obstetrics and gynecology, surgeries, general surgeries, eye surgeries, dialysis sessions, reading glasses, and consultation. According to the church, the free medical services will be executed by the Redeemer's Health Center. The statement added that interested individuals can register for the various services by contacting the designated phone numbers or visiting the RHC premises. It stated, Pastor Adeboye's commitment to giving back to the society is evident in the church's numerous CSR initiatives, which have impacted 166 million lives and executed over 990,000 projects. We are committed to impacting lives across different sectors. However, the RCCG's health interventions have been extensive, with over 9 million beneficiaries of free healthcare services, 33,052 completed healthcare projects, and 4 intensive care unit centers established in various locations. The free medical services program is a testament to Adeboye's commitment to serving humanity and making a positive impact on society, the church added. While many have celebrated this initiative, drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.